Okay, you awareness Tai Chi people out there, here we are with the next video. It's move 43 and 44. So it's turn and chop with fist, followed by chop with fist, step up, deflect, parry, punch. So a couple things to talk about with this one. It's repeated. You've already done these moves, so it'll be fairly easy. We'll go through it without too much trouble, I think. And a few other things to talk about, so hang in there. We'll be right back. Alright, we're going to go into move 43, turn and chop with fist. Like I said, it's been repeated. I like to think of turn and chop with fist as Tor Yu and chop with fist, because really that's all you're doing is a Tor Yu with the arms following or going in sequence with that. So we will start it off from the punch low that we finished off with last week, and we'll just go into that. When you punch low, you're relaxing down and loading up that front leg. When you finish the low punch, you're going to push from that leg, and that straightens the body up. The hands line up, and then you turn and pivot on the heel. You're going to stand up into the left leg, relax down, and step. So again, you turn into that hip, step out, and then the arms, like we did before, left arm goes out to the side, right fist chops as the left hand comes to the waist, and then finish your Tor Yu with the push-pull equal and opposite. So I'll do that facing the other direction. The arm action is very simple. Is the left arm goes out, but notice the right arm starts to come up, and as the fist goes out, the left hand comes into the waist. So now here at this point, I am pretty much at this 50-50, so I'm just ready to start to relax into my front leg, and that's where you finish off the Tor Yu. And that's all it is. You're going from the left leg, turning, doing a Tor Yu into the front leg. So just like in the foundations, you're just turning forward and expressing out. Except the arms are a little different. So as you push from the back leg, the left arm is out, the fist to the front, and then push-pull. And that's all that is. But you're doing two different things with both your arms while you're Tor Yuing, so lots to think about. So try not to think about it. Just feel it as you go. Let the arms be really light and relaxed. So low punch. Push from the leg. Body straightens up. Turn and pivot on the heel so you're pigeon-toed. Up on the left leg. Relax down and step. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Very simple. Like I say, we've done it before. Getting back into going from that Tor Yu and chop with fist and going into chop with fist. Now this time, chop with fist and step up, deflect, parry, punch is combined together in the set list, but really the same sequence. Transferring the weight back, all you're going to do is a Tor Yu to get back into that left leg. So you're in the left leg to start Tor Yu and chop. 1, 2, 3. You push from the front leg. Separate the hands. Load the left leg. Push up in the left leg. Bouquet of flowers, heel to toe for your Pakwa step. Chop out with the fist. And push, and the back heel comes up as you relax into the right leg. You're going to come up and then turn into that right hip, step, and then deflect, parry, punch. So again, getting into that hip is is crucial. Being able to turn and line up that leg so you can sit down and relax with the hips comfortable is crucial for taking those steps. So again, so you're going to do your Tor Yu forward when you do this one, and then you Tor Yu back. So push from the right leg, the arms are relaxed, they separate. You push up with a bouquet of flowers, pakwa, heel, foot at 45, chop out with the fist, followed by the left hand pushing through. You relax into the hips. Push up, start to turn to the right, and as the foot comes through, turn to the right some more to step through, and then deflect, parry, punch. Okay? Tor Yus, Dan Yus, equal and opposite. They're all in there, so play around with that so you can start to feel how those foundations fit into the moves. I think we can just go straight into the follow through. So I'll start with the low punch, and I'm facing towards you because then we'll turn and be going back this way. So you're going to be facing away from me to do the low punch. So I'm going to punch low. And push from the foot, the left hand comes up, the right hand, so the hands are now centered on the body. Turn, pivot, up on the left, relax down into the left leg and step. 1, 2, 3. Push back with the front leg, relax into the left, push up, bouquet of flowers, pakwa step, chop with the fist, and push out with the left. Up. Now turn to the right to sit into the right leg, step through, punch with the brush knee. So deflect, parry, punch. Okay, let's try that again. So doing the low punch that way. So punching down. So weight loads into the left leg. Push from the left leg. Come up. Turn and pivot. Up on the left leg. Sit down into the left leg. Step. 1, 2, 3. Push back with the front leg. Sit down into the left, turning into the left hip. Push up, bouquet, pakwa step, chop. Turn and sit down into the hips. Push up. Sit into the right hip, step through, and punch. Okay. So let's do it facing this direction with the low punch, and we'll do the turn and chop that way. Low punch, relax, load up that front leg, push from the front leg, let the body come up, turn, up on the left, sit down into left hip, step 1, 2, 3. Push back, open, sit down, up with a bouquet, pakwa step, chop, push, and sit down. Push up, relax, turn into the right hip, step, and punch. All right, famous last words, one more time. Low punch. Relax down, push up, turn, relax down, Tor Yu and chop. Push back, Tor Yu back, up with the bouquet, pakwa, chop, push. Up, relax and step, deflect, parry, punch. Okay, so definitely play around with that. It's a nice little sequence. You don't take a lot of room with it. Again, it works the foundations really well. So play around with that. So by now you've started to get our Christmas offering. So I hope you're enjoying that. Lots more of that to come. And just something I'll mention for the Christmas season here. We're going to be off and visiting and stuff over Christmas. So this will be the last Continuing Classroom Classics video for this year. So we will see you again in January. So practice over the holidays. You'll have some stuff to play around with as you go through and have your festivities and everything. Hope you have a great season and everything. Shelley says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year and everything, and we do. Wish you guys all the best, and thanks so much for all your support and all your comments and all your emails. And hope to see all of you back again watching our videos next year. So until then, again, check out the website, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our channel, and take care, have a great time, and see you next year. See you next year. Bye.